Good morning, students. Welcome back to Ravi School Academy classes. Right? Today we are going to discuss 10th class, 12th lesson, the world between the wars. Right? In previous session already we discussed how the world fought, what is the World War One, all those things we discussed. Right? And also we discussed the Russian Revolution. In Russian Revolution, next we are going to discuss the rise of Stalin. What are the rise of Stalin? See, after the Lenin died in 1924, the Stalin became a leader of the Russian Communist Party. Right? Stalin became a Russian Communist Party. He not only became a Russian Communist Party, he is a very powerful leader. He became a very powerful leader. And those who are the opposed leader, those who are the coming the merging leader, they can't sustain, they can't survive with the equal with the Stalin, right? This kind of the Stalin, they became a more powerful leader in the Russian Communist Party. And when he became a more powerful leader, when he thought is nobody has to be the question, nobody has to be the remark, nobody has to be changed to one position, then he focused on the development on the Russian economy especially. Economic, when he got the economic development, then automatically Russia would be the development. Russia would be the development. Stalin believes on that. See, before that, he introduced the 5-year plans. He introduced 5-year plans. In the 5-year plans, what we have to sustain, in which sector we have to produce, which sector we have to develop, all those things. He then introduced a 5-year plan. Not only 5-year plans, he said twin plan, twin policy. What was that? He has a twin policy. In the twin policy, among the twin policy, he has one industrial development. He focused on the industrial development, and another one is collective agriculture, right? So without the industrial development, we couldn't have the development, and without the collective agriculture, if agriculture sector wouldn't be the development, where there comes is get the raw material for the industrial, right? Whatever the industrial getting the raw material, these are getting from the agriculture, or mining and the forest, all those things, right? So that's why the industrial focus on the industrial development and the collective agriculture. This is the twin policy is followed by the Stalin. And next, the Russian, we have the socialist impact, right? We have the socialist movement. That kind of the Russian socialist movement, the impact on the world. Impact on world. Impact of Russian revolution. Impact on revolution on world. See, everyone knows in Russian revolution started 1970. So that's the reason when the civil war started in the Russia. On that reason, the Russia is the left from the war. The one woman is the Lezanova. From the Lezanova, he fought for the only one is the peace and bread. Right? The part for the peace and bread, and that movement is successfully and led toward to the from the king to the Russian as a republic, right? The king to the Russian as a republic. So when the Russian revolution is a success, the movement is a success, then all over world they seeking for the one hope. They seeking for the hope. Why? Because on that time the most of the countries were colonized by the Britain and the European countries. Other some of the countries the ruled by the king or queens. See, in India, M.N. Roy, he established the Communist Party in 1925. He is one of the person who is get influenced by the Russian Revolution. It's not only the Rabindranath Tagore also the influenced by the Russian Revolution. And he wrote one page. Nowadays, which is the Russian, the capital Saint Petersburg look like say very clean. look like a very clean, and I haven't seen the others, the European countries that look like that, but European countries capital doesn't look like. Why? Because the Russian Saint Petersburg, in everyone got a one opportunity to work, and other European countries doesn't get that opportunity. That kind of the word written about the Rabindranath Tagore about the Russian Revolution. But they hate, these are the inspired, but they hated of the party of the communists. Why? Because the communists have the insecurity. The communists eliminate the opposition. The communists eliminate the opposition. The communist doesn't want to the opposition. You can see nowadays in China, there is a no opposition. Only one is party, that is the Russian Communist Party. That's it. There is a no opposition party. That kind of the mentality has a community. This kind of the mentality has a communism. So that kind of the hatred, that kind of the mentality they rejected. But they get inspired of the another thing. They get inspired each and everyone equal, all those things. This kind of the get right in the India. In all over the world also, in all over most of the Russian, then after then they became in the Cuba. You can see the nowadays Ecuador and China. This some of the countries following the communism. Some of the countries following the communism. Right? This is the impact of the Russian Revolution on the world when it comes to this, especially in the India. Then next, economic depression. Why could the economic depression happen? See, main reason everyone knows, that is the World War. Economic depression. 1929 to 19. What was that? The economic depression. See, in the economic depression, is the many countries led towards to the people labor the poor. The people labor the poor. We can say that this economic depression also the Great Depression. The Great Depression, right? Why this Great Depression? Why this economic depression happens due to the World War? After the World War, when fought the World War, after the complete the World War, the most of the people they lost their jobs, they lose their all those things. Then all of the decrease happen. The most of the industrial revolution decreases. Most of the industrial production decreases. When the industrial production will decrease, then what will happen? They will lose their job. When they lose their job, then what will happen? They slowly goes to the poverty. When the poverty becomes its main danger, then is the population. What is mean by population? The use of the amount. The use amount of the use people. The one kind of the sector or the community to going towards the poor. Going towards the poor is called the population. Is called the population. So this kind of the went towards the population, when automatically when the population when finally is going to the depression, finally gets in the depression. See, this is not only the Europe, all over the world is the economic depression happened in the 1929 to between 1939, between this area 29 to 1939. See, economic depressions not only happen in the industry, is not happening only in industrial. It's also made in agriculture also. It's also happened in agriculture. Almost the 40%, the 40% people they lay in the agriculture. Why? Because if there is a no one should has to be the collect, no one should has to be the purchase, then what is the use of the producing? What is the use of the producing? And they didn't get that kind of the revenue. They didn't get that kind of much of the revenue. So that way, in agriculture sector also, almost the rates were decreased 40%. Industrial sector also the decrease. When the industrial sector production is the decrease, then automatically they doesn't need employees. When they doesn't need employees, then employee need to the unemployed. Then unemployed means goes to the poor. Then after the poor, they go to the population, that is then finally slowly in the depression. Finally, slowly in the depression. So this kind of the health, they worried about the USA. This kind of health, worried about USA, and USA came with the new plan. Then USA came with a new plan, that is the New Deal. the New Deal. See, the New Deal mean, what is mean by deal? See, that according to the New Deal, the government of the America to help the people, those who are not able to sustain minimum, those who are not able to sustain. So that's why they made with a New Deal. Among this New Deal, they get the pensions. They get the pensions, and they also provide the economic support. Those who doesn't have the single mothers. The single mothers, they also provide pensions to the those who are retired pensions. Retired pensions. They came with a new idea. This came with the new idea. This kind of the ideas. They thought this kind of ideas to let's towards to the people from the going to the depression to the works. They're going to the depression to the poor side in the better way. The poor side in the better way. Not only this. Nowadays, what we are the following in the Indian government. The most of this kind of the introduced in the USA when the economic depression happened. See, after this, UK also get the motivated from the USA. Then the USA gets from the total economic depression by the 1939. Why? After the 1939, they producing the arms. Why? Because World War started. And USA didn't join the World War. USA joined in the World War 1942. Right? They are producing the arm, and these arms are going to the sell to the those who are fighting the World War. So this kind of the movement, this kind of the industrial development usually change in the USA. And another hand, UK also when they are fighting the World War, they also made the kind of the solution for the to become they going to the depression. So to let's toward to the going to the depression. See, the UK they came with the old age pension. UK came to the old age pension and also unemployment pensions. Those who are unemployment, the government is provided to them. Then we can get through all those things. Unemployment pensions, the old age pensions. We can say the handicapped pensions. This kind of the pensions this kind of the pensions is introduced in the UK to protect their people to the goes towards to the depressions. So this kind of the all pensions also while the UK is the providing this kind of the social reforms in this for the people while the fighting the World War. USA joined in the World War in the second day when it started the World War in the second day. See, after this kind of they thought for this kind of all those things. You know, the one is the economist K.M. Keynes. He thought when this kind of the depression happened, government has to take a step and provide the kind of the work to the people and so let them to the depression to the better way. Let them to the depression to the better way. And the most of these someone is created some economics. Those who are due to the communism, they led toward to this kind of the depression. One kind of the section of this the people were saved. Another side due to the capitalism they were divided. But came in the same. Government has to provide work. In India also those who are unemployed, the government is providing the 100 days work, right? The 100 days work. In the morning session we will go to the work and we can collect from the weekly and kind of this time, right? The 100 days of the work in the year. See, this kind of the works provided suggested by the K.M. Linus. Is this not only this kind of, and also they made to the government employment. So those make to the people has to participate by the government also is suggested. And this not only this same kind of the depression happened in the German also. So we will discuss in the German depression. Also, right? In the next session. And next session we will discuss the further the World War II, what are the causes, right? I hope you understand this session. Thank you.